Introducing 360 Monitoring, the all-in-one solution for monitoring all your sites and servers. Whether you are a website owner, agency, hoster, or infrastructure provider, 360 monitoring is perfect for you. And the best part, you can set it up in minutes using our open-source monitoring agent, available on both Windows and Linux. Personalize your dashboard to serve your unique needs and easily integrate your favorite tools. With our integrated full site check crawler, you can spot anomalies and fix issues before they impact your business. Monitor key metrics like CPU, network, disk usage, and load times with just a click. But there is more. With 360 monitoring, you can check DNS time, SSL validity, keywords, and more tools from over 26 global locations. Start monitoring your sites and servers for free today with just a few clicks.